In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI read text on Canva. Whether you're narrating a social post, a presentation, or a quick promo, Canva's built-in text-to-speech tool makes it simple to turn written words into clear, natural audio without leaving your design. Start by opening your design in Canva. If you already know what you want the AI to say, keep that script handy so you can paste it in. If you're still drafting, consider writing your text in short, clear sentences. Good punctuation helps the voice sound more natural, and breaking longer thoughts into separate lines or paragraphs can improve pacing. Keep in mind that extremely long passages may be limited, so tighter, well-edited text will generate more smoothly and sound better. Next, head to the Apps section on the left-hand toolbar. This is where Canva keeps extra features you can plug into your design. In the Apps panel, look for the option labeled Text-to-Speech or AI Voice. The name you see may vary slightly depending on your version, but both refer to the same voice generator. If you don't immediately spot it, use the search bar in the apps window and type text-to-speech. Click to open it so the tool appears alongside your design. Now enter or paste the text you want read aloud. Read it once more before generating to catch typos and fine-tune anything that might trip the voice, like acronyms, unusual names, or numbers. Writing out numbers as words often improves pronunciation. Add commas or periods to suggest pauses, and avoid using all caps unless you truly want emphasis. Also, don't paste any private or sensitive information, only include what you're comfortable having spoken aloud. Choose a voice and language that matches your audience and tone. Canva offers multiple voices with different accents and styles. Pick one that feels on brand and make sure the language selection matches the text you've entered. If you notice any mispronunciations, try lightly rephrasing, adding phonetic hints, or inserting strategic punctuation to guide the delivery. When you're ready, click Generate. Canva will create the audio from your text and display a playback option. Listen to the result and pay attention to pacing, emphasis, and clarity. If something sounds off, tweak your text and generate again. Small edits often make a big difference. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Processing time can vary with longer scripts. That's it. Open your design, launch the text-to-speech or AI voice app, paste your text, choose a voice and language, and generate. With a clear script and a little fine-tuning, you'll get professional-sounding narration right inside Canva.